Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website forexfactory.com. So watch the full video. Firstly, check the DAP of the website. It has a domain authority 61 and page authority 62. The website age is 16 years. To add backlink in this website, firstly click on join. Then fill up everything, put email address, username, and give a strong password. Write the password here. Retype the password. Now click on Join ForexFactory. Now click on the link here. Now scroll down. Click on Add Links. Here you can add your website link. So just copy your website link and paste it here. Then click on Save Changes. Here you can see that your website link is added here. This way you can add backlink in this website. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So check those out. Thank you everyone.